Good morning, Rise and Shine. Come with us on a day of our life of walking across America. Oh my God.
Rise and shine.
Yeah, let's get it.
We've got about 15 to 17 miles all the way to Southport, North Carolina.
East Coast Greenway has us going up over this bridge. It says for bikers over there to use full lane. That doesn't really go over as well for us as walkers. There it is, y'all, beyond yonder, the ocean. Woo! Donuts and coffee, the way to my heart.
Ooh, Carl, you got that fresh.
Yeah, boy, made it to Cure Beach.
Gonna catch the ferry at 11:30. I'm giving Nemo a quick break.
Second walk across America right now.
My aunt said, I saw these people on TV, and I said, well, go talk to them. No, I'm not going to tell them.
14 miles in today. Welcome to Southport.
Another city. We got a little reporter action going on here. Oh, yes. We weren't sure where we were going to sleep tonight, but we did a little Facebook post, checked into Southport, said, hey, we're in the area, does anyone have a spot? And within less than an hour, we had not multiple ones, but one particularly that was literally right off our path, exactly where we need to be. So she's not home, but she's going to let us stay in the backyard and let her neighbors know we're going to be there, so they don't think we're squatters. We normally set this up together, but he really took the lead there, and I have to say I'm not mad about it.
How is that?
Really nice. Catch you next time.
1,070 miles until Key West, Florida.